let's do this example. So example 13, solve the equation and check your answer, check your solution. Let's not forget that part, okay? So let's do it here. So 3n plus 11 equals to 6, take away 2n. Wonderful. So how do I do this? So I have to leave the pronumerals on one side and then the numbers on the other side. Agree? So to do that, I'm going to, we usually like to see the pronumerals on the left hand side, but it doesn't have always to be like that. But we usually try what we try to do. Okay, so to do that, then that means that the pronumerals are going to be in the left and the numbers on the right. So to take away this 11 and do this 11, what do I have to do? Take away 11 on both sides. This goes to 0, so then I have 3n equals 2. Now I have to collect like terms here. What do I have here? 6 and take away 11, okay? So 6 take away 11 is going to be equal to -5, and then I left the other term as it is, -2n. Wonderful. Then what do I have to do? I have to, this -2n, I have to get it to the other side. How do I undo it then? I have to add 2n on both sides. When I do that, this goes away, and then 3n plus 2n is going to be equal to 5n, which is equal to -5. And then what do I have to do next? Divide both sides by 5. And I get that n is equal to -1. Agree? Wonderful. Now it says check your solutions. So to check your solutions, what we have to do is, I'm going to do it here. To check your answer, you have to write your equation again. So 3n plus 11 equals 6, take away 2n, given that my answer n is equal to -1. And we have to sub in n equal -1 here and see if we get that left hand side equals right hand side. So when I do that, then I have to do here 3 times -1 plus 11 is equal to 6, take away, open brackets, 2 times -1. You have to be very careful with these symbols. Look that I'm leaving the negative outside, and then I'm doing this multiplication first in here, okay? Then 3 times -1 is going to be -3 plus 11 is equal to 6 times, what do I have here? 2 times -2. So I'm going to leave it here as -2. Wonderful. Remember that we work downwards. So maybe I'll solve first the left hand side. So 3 take away 11 is going to be 8, +8. That's all I cannot do anything else. That what happens here? 6. What is negative? What is happening here? I have a -1 times the whole bracket. Agree? That's why I wanted to put it like that, because I wanted to show you that I have a -1 here that is multiplying this bracket. So I still have this one -1 that is multiplying that bracket. So -1 times -2, what is it going to be? +2. So 6 plus 2. So I keep this 8 exactly the same, but I don't have to do anything else to the left hand side, and 6 plus 2 is going to be 8. Therefore is true. My answer is correct. So therefore is true. Correct. Wonderful. Let's do the next one in the next video.